Hello students, today we will discuss brain teaser in parallel lines. This is question number 1b. Answer the following questions. Part A. If AB parallel DE, find angle ACD. This is the figure AB parallel DE. It is given. We have to find angle ACD. So here we will write AB parallel DE where AE is transversal. Therefore, angle BAE is equal to angle AED is equal to 35 degree. This is alternate interior angles. Because it is given angle BAE is 35 degree and since AE is transversal, therefore angle AED is equal to 35 degree. In triangle DCE, students, look the triangle DCE. In this triangle, we can write angle D plus angle E plus angle DCE is equal to 180 degree because this is a triangle. Angle D is given 53 degree. So we write at the place of angle D 53 degree plus 35 degree. Angle E just we got plus angle DCE is equal to 180 degree. When we solve it, we get angle DCE is equal to 180 minus 88 is equal to 92 degree. This implies angle ACD plus angle DCE is equal to 180 degree because this is linear pair. This implies angle ACD plus we will put the value of angle DCE 92 degree is equal to 180 degree. This implies angle ACD is equal to 180 minus 92 degree is equal to 88 degree. So we got angle ACD. Is it clear? Next question. This is part B. In the diagram given below, PQ parallel OL. Is OL parallel ST? We have to give the reason. From the figure, it is given PQ parallel OL. So we can say angle PQR plus angle 2. Here angle 2, suppose this is angle 2 is equal to 180 degree co-interior angles. This implies 110 degree plus angle 2 is equal to 180. This implies angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. Students, we got here angle 2 is 70 degree. This implies angle 2 plus 60 degree plus angle 1. It should be 180 degree because this is straight line. We can say linear pair 180 degree. This implies 70 degree. At the place of angle 2 we put 70 degree. So 70 degree plus 60 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. This implies we have angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 70 plus 60, 130 will go there, it will be minus 130 degree. So it is equal to 50 degree. This implies angle TSR plus angle 1 is equal to TSR, it is given 130 degree plus angle 1 we got 50 degree, we will add it, we will get 180 degree. It shows that 110 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. This implies angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. This is we have discussed. So angle 1 is equal to 50 degree. This implies angle TSR plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. It shows the pair of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Therefore, we can say that OL parallel ST. Is it clear? We have to write the reason. So, we have given. Next, part C. It is given if AB parallel PQ, we have to find Y. Look the figure carefully. Angle PTM, this is angle Y. First of all, students, we write AB parallel LM. parallel PQ. Because it is given AB parallel PQ, so we draw LM, which is parallel to AB and PQ. Since AB parallel LM, so we can say that angle BAT, look the figure, angle BAT is equal to, suppose this is angle 1, is equal to 59 degree, alternate angles. Now PQ parallel LM, so we can say that angle QPT, this is equal to angle 2. Angle QPT, look the figure student, angle QPT is equal to angle 2. This is also alternate angles, so it is also equal to 59 degree. This implies we have to find angle Y. So we will add angle 1 plus angle 2, that is angle ATP is equal to 59 degree plus 59. We will add it, we get 118 degree. Students, if you get any problem, then you ask me. Next, this is part D. Students, we need to focus the figure properly and carefully. If AB parallel EF, look the figure, only we focus AB parallel EF, then DE parallel BC and AC parallel DF, we have to find X and Y. Here students, it is given DE parallel BC, so we can say DG parallel CH. This is, look the figure, DG parallel CH, because this is the part. AC parallel DF, so we can say GC parallel DH. It means we can say that GC parallel DH. This implies angle Y. Look the angle Y. Where is it in the figure? Angle Y plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree co-interior angles. This implies angle Y is equal to 180 minus 60. It is 120. Since AB parallel EF, therefore IB parallel EJ. And here we write BC parallel DE. So BJ parallel IE. Is it clear? Now we say here angle E plus angle I. Look the left side, angle E plus angle I is equal to 180 degree co-interior angles. This implies angle E plus 110 is equal to 180 degree. This implies we get angle E plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. So we have 70 plus X is equal to 180 degree. This implies X is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. And here look the figure and the right side of the video. This is DG parallel CH. We have discussed this one. So we can write GC parallel DH. So here angle Y plus 60 degree is equal to 180 co-interior angles. This implies angle Y is equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree. So we got X and Y both. Is it clear? Students, you need to revise these questions. You have to attempt after the video. Next part E. For what value of X is L parallel M? Students, we have to say that value of X if L parallel M. Here angle 1 is equal to 45 degree because it is given. So vertical opposite angle. So we can say 5x plus 35 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree co-interior angles because L parallel M. Now we will solve this. 5x plus 35 plus 45 is equal to 180 degree. This implies 5x plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. This implies 5x equal to 100 and x is equal to 20 degree. Is it clear, students?